Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Neeraja's Cooking and Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to make eggless brownies with cocoa powder. So let's get started. So first, make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so here I have a bowl. Into that bowl, here I have 1/2 cup of butter that I melted. I'm going to be putting that in with the cocoa powder. This is 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. Let's give this a mix and mix this until it's nicely blended. Now into here I'm going to be adding in, I have 1 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And into here I'll be adding in the milk. This is 1/2 cup of milk. And now let's give this a nice mix. Into here, while I'm beating this with the mixer, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we'll beat this until it's nice and creamy. Since this is really thick, like this, I'm going to be adding in, little by little, 1/4 cup of milk. So, a little bit. And I'm going to beat that. So I added in like about 1/8 cup of milk, and this is looking good. So we can transfer this into the baking pan. So I'm using this round sheet pan, and I put some parchment paper on the bottom so it won't stick. I'm just going to be adding that in. Now we can just I'm going to be putting this in the oven for 25 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean when you do the toothpick test. So this is done. So I'm going to be transferring this into a plate. So this is how you make eggless fudgy brownies with cocoa powder. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you!